Let's be honest. How many times have you made a vision board in January, covered it with nice photos of beaches or mountains or expensive cars, only to hide it under a cabinet or closet by February and forget it totally? Now, traditional vision boards are great for inspirations, but they are terrible for execution. They are just pretty pictures without a plan. Today, we're going to fix that. We're taking the vision board digital using Microsoft OneNote, but with a twist. We aren't just posting pictures, we are structuring your life goals using a concept taught at Harvard Business School known as strategic life units. You want to stop just dreaming and start actually building the life you want? Treat your life like a business. Here's how to become the CEO of your own future using the OneNote vision board. Let's dive in. Now, instead of doing a vision board with random photos and pictures, so let's take a look at this Harvard Business Review, okay, strategic life areas. Now, over here, it is a research done by Harvard that most of the people will focus these 6 areas in life, yeah, strategic, which call strategic life areas. So the first one, relationships, body, mind, spirituality, community and society, job, learning, and finances, interest and entertainment, personal care. Now, under this 6 SLA, it can split into multiple SLU, which is strategic life units. Yeah, you can have a look right over here. Now, this is just a guide. Yeah, you don't have to have all of this. Yeah, in order to do your vision board. Okay, but if you do not have any idea what you want in life, this is just a guide, right? So if you want to do a vision board, you can do a vision board with a timeline of 10 years, 5 years, or 20 years. Yeah. But for me, I personally believe in a short-term visions, right? A short-term vision meaning that it's something less than 3 years, okay? Preferably within a year. Yeah. You can do a 10 years and then get 5 years, 1 year of vision board. But it is the 1 year vision board that will triggers you to take actions. So here's one of the example that I create using a vision board. This is for 1 year, right? So this is something that I want to achieve within 1 year, right? So then what you can do is that is split into the 6 areas, the SLA, okay? And you put the photos right in the column, right? Right in the area, okay? Like interest and entertainment. So I would like to learn how to plant bonsai and so on. Just put the photos there, right? And you don't have to explain much because this photo will explain what you want. Now, if you have a look at this photo, you know what you want, right? Now, of course, you can break it down further, yeah, according to the SLU. But this is a simple example that you can do based on the SLA, the 6 areas. Now, if you start with 3 areas and you can break down further in the SLUs, this is totally okay. Now, sometime in one area you want to have 2 photos, it is fine as well, right? What you want is to have this vision, and then you can look at this vision, and it should inspire you to take actions. Yeah. Now, once you have this, why we put it into OneNote? Because you can actually open up your OneNote from your phone and have a look at that every day. So that would triggers you to take action. Now, once your vision board is done, this is not the end. Why people they can't achieve their goal is they do not have a follow-up systems. So you need to create a system to support your vision board, right? So very simple. A systems is something that will trigger you to take action, right? A simple step can be a review of your vision board every Monday morning or every Friday or end of the work week, right? So after review, you must set the actions, yeah, that you want to take and plan it out and put it into your calendar, right? So these are all the important execution steps that you need to do in order to make your vision come true. So to recap, don't just make a picture or a collage of pictures. Structure your life like a business using the Harvard Strategy Life Unit. Then create your vision board inside the OneNote so that you can keep reviewing because you can see it through your phone, your PC, or whatever device you're using. So this will take the vision board from just a fun photo pictures project into a genuine life management tool. I want to hear from you in the comments. What are your strategic life units you are going to use for your notebook? Let me know in the comment area below. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more productivity videos. Now go take charge, create a vision of your life, and take action.